Friday until all power is restored. As you know, it's Tuesday. Our John Atwater is live in the Cape. Most of those outages, that's where they linger, John.
Yeah, you've got that right, Maria. We are in Chatham, and out this far on the Cape, almost no one has power. And that also goes for some commercial businesses like this gas station. No power at this gas station, and that is leaving people scrambling for fuel. Now, just down the road, this is another gas station at Cumberland Farms that has a generator, so their pumps are working, but there's been a run on gas there, and now they are all out. A lot of people are pulling up to find all the pumps are out of order, and they're not expecting a delivery at that station until late tomorrow. Another concern here on the Cape over the next few days are the low temperatures at night.
Temperatures are supposed to drop into the teens tonight. It's going to get really cold. So homes that are already, getting pretty uncomfortable, we're really worried about what that's going to look like tonight.
Now, of course, a lot of people without power, they are using generators at their homes. But the chief says what they're finding is that those generators are often placed too close to the house. And they have responded to a couple dozen carbon monoxide calls already. Thankfully, no one seriously hurt, but just a reminder that you have to keep that generator away from your home so those fumes do not go inside your house. We're live in Chatham tonight. John Atwater, WCVB News Center 5.